Hi guys. Today we're going to make a snack that I'm gonna eat. So we're going to need a plastic knife, peanut butter, and a Rice Krispie treat. A rice cake and a plate. So, first step, put the rice cake on top of the plate. And then get the peanut butter, open it up. You could copy me too. So I'm going to use this peanut butter. Second step, after the peanut butter one, we're going to top on the peanut butter on the rice. The rice cake. And then you could lick this if you want. You get there, and then there we go. We can decorate it too.